Hello, today I'm reading a counting story called One Mole Digging a Hole with lots of silly animals. Let's begin. One mole digging a hole. Here we go. One mole digging a hole. Two snakes with garden rakes. Three bears picking pears. Four foxes filling boxes. They're filling them with tomatoes. Five storks with garden forks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Six parrots pulling up carrots. There they are, filling their wheelbarrow. 7 frogs chopping logs. Chop, 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 chop. 8 crows with a garden hose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They're all holding the same yellow hose. 9 doves in gardening gloves. Each dove has 2 gardening gloves on its wings. 10 bees pruning trees. They've pruned this one into the shape of a bird. Everyone enjoying the sun. Can we find all the animals? 1 mole, 2 snakes, 3 bears, 4 foxes, 5 storks, 6 Which animal was number 6? Six parrots. Up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 frogs. 8 crows. 9 doves. And 10 bees. They're all wearing sunglasses because it's so sunny. The end. I hope you enjoyed listening to that. Bye-bye.